Huh, it has been going off.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, that's that blue light I think is the temperature.
Oh, I'll record the temperature too. I forgot about that.
Yeah. Good evening. Told you I'd be back. Hope you don't mind us coming in. Just gonna sit down in the chair here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you mind if I sit down?
No, not at all. Oh, you were asking me.
Yes. I like this.
Still getting the same things?
No,
No more readings?
it's a lot lower right here. It's 0.2.
Don't mind Sean, he's just taking some readings. We thought we might have caught you earlier. Call your energy. If you get near to him, that'll spike. We'll just show him the antenna. If you touch that antenna out coming on this thing, see that? That'll go off. It's a way for us to communicate with you. If you make it go off, we can take that as a yes answer. I was told you really want to talk to us. Let me just introduce ourselves and tell you why we're here. My name is Mike. You know Ricky. That's Sean with the orange light. We were called in by the Moirant family to help them find answers as to what's been going on. There's a lot of things that they cannot explain. We understand and can accept what they can't. You might have been trying to communicate with them and they took it the wrong way. So what we want to do is we want to ask some questions and we want to get your answers. We want to find out who you are, why you're here. Maybe there's some reasons for some of the things that the Moirans... That flash.
Yeah. Wasn't even what it flashes.
Here, I can show you.
Can you do that? Are you trying to manifest yourself? First time I've used that. You're trying to do something, and I appreciate that. But I don't know what those flashy lights mean. Can you touch that antenna and make all the lights go off? Are you trying to do Morse code? I'm sorry, I don't know Morse code.
If you like, speak it out loud while you're doing that.